Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you some things to avoid when putting makeup on. Apologies about my voice, I am a little under the weather. Let's get started.
Try to avoid blinking as much as possible because you will poke your eye. Try not to use as much eyelash glue as you would like because it'll get stuck on your fingers and not stick to your eyelashes like it's supposed to do. Okay guys, when using the red lipstick to cover up some areas that you do not want to be showing that much, don't try to put a bunch of it. It's only a little bit. A little goes a long way, guys. Do not panic if you did put way too much red lipstick coverage. Just make sure you blend all over the area. Blend, blend, blend. Okay guys, this brings us onto the foundation. Make sure you choose the right tone that fits your skin right. You do not want to get one that doesn't have enough coverage for you. You do not want to get one that's lighter for you, darker than you, anything like that. So make sure you choose a good foundation, you guys. Another thing many people do is that they do not blend their concealer right. Blend it well, a little goes a long way as well. Just blend it well. Bronzer for contouring, it's all amazing. I know, I love doing it too. Sometimes I do over bronze, so you guys please try to avoid that because then we'll just end up looking like Oompa Loompas. Okay guys, highlighter. I'm guilty of using my finger to do a straight line, but please try to use a brush. If you use your fingers, make sure you know how to put it. Okay guys, avoid having chapped lips when putting on lipstick because if you don't have them chapped, your lipstick will look very smooth. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Subscribe!